So my target website is elonbeer.com, which is for the website for Beer Republic here in Elon, North Carolina. I thought when I first visited the website that having a picture of the inside is very smart, but it is a little too much with the white text on top. This shop now uh, link and button just sends you right to where you already were, so it's really a pointless thing to have there. I think having the phone number right there is important, as well as this logo and address should be even more prominent within the website. For the tap list, which is obviously their most important feature, the red on black is definitely a questionable decision. It's difficult to read and is not really appealing to the eye. Also, these ratings, I'm assuming that's what they're supposed to be. They don't really look like stars, but if they were, they're all 4 stars, so that doesn't really tell the consumer anything about each beer. So that is definitely also a questionable decision. In addition, there are also some grammatical errors throughout the explanations of each beer, and some don't even have any, so that'd be important to add to each of the beers. So at the first break, I focused on things that originally took me away from the website, such as the background that was being way too much for the text in front of it. I also wanted to make that logo much more prominent in the website. I also want to make the address and phone number much more available and present on the website as well. Uh, so far, I've put in one beer on tap. Uh, this looks a lot better than the red on black that originally was on the website. It's a bit more pleasing to the eye and also has information about the brewery that it comes from and other things like that. So here's a finished project. I have beers on tap and I put in 3 of the current 9 that would be there in a more reasonable and appealing fashion compared to their old red on black um, style. I also have bottles and cans, which is another one of their uh, tabs on the original website. I did only 2 of these, even though there's hundreds, tens and tens of cans on there. Lastly, they contact us, which is about how to contact them. In the end, I have the message board in here as including their contact information and their Google Maps location.